Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to play ranked in Roblox Rivals. Now, first of all, first exit the game or the rivals you're playing. Come to the home page. Tap on this gear-like icon. Once you tap on it, it will open up this. Don't choose the BTR settings. Tap on settings themselves. After clicking on settings, we then wait for it to finish uploading up a bit. Now, if you want to get that ranked rivals, you need to first of all add in the following information. Make sure that your email has been verified. You can see mine has a check mark for the verification. Make sure that you've also added your phone number. For my case, my phone number is already connected. And also make sure that your age group is 21 plus. After ensuring all that is good to go, then you'll be able to play ranked in Roblox Rivals. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.